Here's how to lace New Balance 740s in a loose lace style. Start by taking a hold of your lace and we're going to feed it through this little loop at the very bottom here. And we're going to pull that through and then take a hold of the two lace ends and just pull those together to make sure they come out of equal lengths on either side. If yours haven't, just take a minute to make sure they're equal before we carry on. Then we're going to take a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it down into the first eyelet here from above, just like this, making sure there's no twists in the lace. Swap to the other one, smooth it out, and bring that lace end down into that first eyelet as well, on this side. Making sure there's no twists. Looking good. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into this next eyelet from above, just like this. Then swap to the other one, bring it over and down into the next empty eyelet on this side from above. Now you don't want to be pulling these laces too tight, as this is a loose lace style, which means your foot can slip in and out easily. Then we want to keep a hold of this lace, smooth it, and then we're going to bring it over and through this little loop here. So just wiggle that lace end through, pull it through slowly, making sure there's no twists. Swap to the other one and do the exact same on the other side. Bring it over, through that little loop, making sure there's no twists. And it's all looking nice and crisp. Now with this style, we skip the little tongue loop here because it would make the lacing too tight. So instead we're going to skip it and we're just going to go through the next little loop on this side here. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all with this. Just go at completely your own pace. I'm just going to make sure there's no twists before we carry on. And then swap over to the other lace. Bring it over and through the next little loop on this side. Looking good. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and bring it over and down into the next empty eyelet on this side. Looking good. Swap to the other one and we're going to do the same. Bring it over and down into the next empty eyelet from above on this side. That looks good. Now we're going to do something slightly different to finish off the pattern here. We're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it through the final eyelet from underneath, if that makes sense. So just pull that through and we're going to pull it through only about this much. Don't worry about this excess lace, we'll fix that in a second. Then we're going to swap to the other one, bring it over and through the very top eyelet from underneath, pulling it through around about this much. Then we're going to take those excess laces and simply tuck them behind the sneaker tongue, and they'll sit on top of your feet when you slip your feet in and out of the sneakers, out of the way. And they shouldn't bother your feet at all as they're very soft. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace New Balance 740s. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks a lot.